hearts, both been through storms, but maybe this time love wins. Come with me, we are two single people, but you just wanna be friends. You say you're scared of commitment, don't wanna be hurt again. But I'm not here to break you. That's never been my plan. You like me and I like you. Why can't we take a stand? You always wanna be around me, so why are we wasting time? I gotta let you know how I feel, 'cause girl, you stay on my mind. It seems like you're stuck in your past, but your past is already gone. Let's give love a real chance, build something strong. You say you want a real man, well baby, here I am. Come with me, come with me, come with me. Come with me, let me show you what real love can be. No more tears, no insecurity, just love, loyalty, just love, loyalty, honestly. Come with me, hold my hands, girl, trust in me. I'm not here for memory, I'm here for eternity. Come with me. You said the only time you're happy is when you're next to me. So why we letting fear control what's meant to be? You've been lied to, cheated on, I understand that pain, but not every man is the same. Don't let love go in vain. Every day I wanna see you smiling, show you something real, a kind of love you never felt, a love you can feel. Circumstances brought us here, that can't be coincidence. I'll be patient with your heart, that's my commitment. Over time you're gonna see my love is here to stay. This is not a hit and run, I'm not built that way. I've got a soft spot in my heart for you. Come with me, come with me, to a place where it's quiet and free, where love is pure and jealousy has no authority. Come with me, I never wanna see you cry again. I'm not just trying to be your friend, I'm trying to be your forever. Amen. Come with me, come with me, come with me, come with me. You got scars from your past, but that's not your fault. He never knew how to appreciate a diamond like you, but I do. So come